Hello everyone, my name is Matt,
And my name is Malaku.
and for this project we created a website that represents a car dealership. For our website you can add cars, delete cars, modify cars, and search for cars. And Malaku is going to talk about our database.
Right, so the first part of our project was actually structuring our database, creating the database, and deciding what kind of information we want to keep track of in our database. So at first, we thought our database, our car dealer website was going to be a big website. So we wanted to keep track of branches. We thought we were going to have more than one branch, so we have a table that keeps track of a branch, and we have a employee table because a car dealer company is going to have employees, and we want to keep track of their information, so we have a table. And we have another table called customer. Our original intention was to be able to buy and sell cars. So to be able to do that, we need to keep track of the customer's information, such as first name, last name, address, and employee ID is the employee who sold the car for that customer. And we have a big table called car that basically keeps track of the information about the car. We have a VIN number, that's our primary key because that's a unique thing. And that's pretty much what we have in our database. Once we're done with our database, we started coding our website using PHP and HTML, and Matt is going to talk about that.
Alright, so this is our website. It starts out on the home screen, just basic idea of what it's all about, and then click on cars and we have the cars that are currently in our database. We got a glorious border around here. And then let's add a car. Add a car, you go to admin and you just enter the VIN number, which is our primary key that makes every car unique. And then we have the make, WRX, why not? And there's a bunch of fields here, so I'm going to go through. I don't know what a miles per gallon is, 20, that's good. Price, how much do these things cost? Like 30,000. Sure, that sounds good to me. New 0. And short description, just anything that might be wrong with the car. If this one's new, so it's in great condition. And that shouldn't have happened. I can type, I promise. And then when you add the car, it brings you back to our list here, and you can see it there. And from here you can view the car, and this has all the information we wanted and put in. And then you can modify the data. And we have a bunch of things here. We have some fields up here that are read only because we don't want you to be able to change the VIN number, the make, model, or anything. You can change the price though. Whoa, someone needs a better laptop. Change the price though. Let's make it $110. That works. And now it's used for some reason. And it's been moved to someone, and this thing is a piece of junk. Update. And you see it, and then you go to view. And piece of junk, number of owners 1 is now $110. It's all good. So we don't want this car anymore, so we're just going to delete it. And now it's gone. From here, we also implemented a search functionality. You have to actually fill out all the fields, otherwise it won't let you search. And so let's do Honda.
That is my car.
Tons of messing around. What is a car? Your car is a Civic. And what do we need to put here?
You can put 1996.
1996. And then you put a price range in for what you want. So 0 for the minimum, and I don't know what your car costs. It's probably less than 100, whatever that number is.
It's 80,000.
Whatever, search. It pops up, and it's great. It's beautiful. And that's our search functionality, and then from there we also have a nice little contact page. Hooray. And now Lucky's going to talk about our accomplishments.
All right, so I'm back. In this section, I'm actually going to talk about what we could have done if we had more time. As you guys have saw earlier, in our database, we have 4 tables, and we actually used only one of them, which is a car table. And one of the things we could do if we had more time is be able to use all the tables. That way, our website has more functionality other than just adding and removing cars from the website. And the other thing we could have done was we could have added images to the website just to make it, to make each car more descriptive. And we could have added, we could have improved the template definitely, just to make it more pretty and more user interactive. I would actually love to learn JavaScript if we had time. We actually learned it, PHP and HTML, in 2 days. So if we had more time,
that was by far our biggest accomplishment, was getting this thing up and running at all. We did it all in Notepad++. We had about 5 million different files.
That is true.
Tons of fun. Tons of fun.
Yeah, so this is our website. If anybody wants to contact us, this is our contact information. And
Don't
sorry,
contact us.
we didn't put our picture there. You guys can see us. We are actually sitting right at the corner, right behind everybody.
There's a 50% chance we won't be there.
All right, thank you. Oh.